YouTube. This is my first video on this YouTube channel. That's a showcase of my b.tech project. Actually, we did it as a team. I am Purnendu Kumar, currently a project associate at IIT Madras. Other fellow Sunil is an associate professor at Bhagwat University. Onkar currently working at Infosys, Bangalore, and Pratik is a TCS employee at Mumbai. We all worked under Professor Neena and ma'am at GHRCE College of Engineering. We were all normal guys from the private engineering college of India. So, in this project, that is mainly an idea demonstrator project, we touched the subject of circuits and PCB design, programming of PIC and 8051 based microcontrollers, and to demonstrate the final project we also went in IGBT based inverter designs. Adding a temperature and a current sensor was also a part of our project. In the project, everything was connected to computer via RS-232 link. So let's discuss the project. Our main aim was to provide safety to the instruments as high current protection, low voltage protection, temperature protection, etc., along with synchronized command center. So we divided the project in two parts, master controller and the slave controller. Master used to give the commands to slave controller which turns on or off based on master's synchronous output. Along with that, slave controller also took input from sensors and gave final output control to the devices. In the meanwhile, it also sends back the data that are needed to be stored in final master computer. The master is finally connected to a RS-232 cable which gives a communication link so that we can override it anytime we want. There are 8 of such slave centers are connected to one master controller. In our project, we have used 8051 series microcontroller as master, and PIC series microcontroller is here a slave controller which controls the pulses, and the master controller which controls number of slave controllers. And here we have represented switches for the sensors, number of switches. We are controlling 8 numbers of systems, 7 are shown on LEDs, and 8th is connected to our slave controller, and slave controller is generating pulses for the inverters. Now the supply is turned on and all the switches are off till sensors are not giving signal. Let the sensor one is giving signal and the signal is sent to the port. Similarly, if we switch on this, our slave is activated. That can be seen on the computer. As the inverter is off, you can see, as you see, till no signal is given, the output is 0 volt. Output is 0 volt, and now I am giving the signal, and here the AC